I'm about to head out for my evening plans, just finished doing my skincare and my hair, and now I'm going to finish things off using some of the most wanted Eau de Parfum by Azzaro. This is one of Azzaro's signature fragrances, combining cardamom, toffee, and amberwood for a masculine yet alluring scent. To open the fragrance bottle, we're just going to give it a small pull, and I like to apply my fragrances with just 2 squirts on either side of my neck so that the smell is more reserved for those who are within my intimate space. 2 squirts, just 1, 2. I like to massage it in a little bit. And there you have it. Now we're looking good, feeling good, smelling good, and ready to go about our evening.